Okay, so the wreath that had the leaves has been undone, the leaves unwrapped, and we're going now for like more of the shiny metal tone that has essentially become the underlying um, connecting theme across all the mini themes in the apartment this season, this holiday season. So we're not necessarily doing strictly Christmas. We're going for winter Christmas, winter, this end of year times, something that can maybe carry nicely over into New Year celebration and then the New Year itself. I have this blue ribbon that essentially we have all these little poke pegs, whatever you want to call them. And I stuck one on there and I used it as my wrapping point. I just went around wrapping it. Thankfully, I bought this from, I think, Dollar Tree like last year. I guess it wasn't enough. I don't know that the ones I had bought this year would have been enough, but it was enough to go around the entire thing of it. And I think it actually was probably a bit longer, so that's saying something. But I wrapped it around. I have ornaments now. I have green, pink, and gold ornaments. I don't know if I'm going to stick them around. I don't know if I'm going to use the wire twists, but we'll see. So I've made a couple of ornament clusters. Here are the green ones. Here are the gold ones. I think individually they look a bit too plain on the ring. Like I could have clusters of gold, but green, but it looks a bit too bland. I think the same argument can be made for the gold. It's blue and gold, kind of pretty, but still kind of bland. But then I was playing around with hooking them together, and I think that might be what I go for. That in itself looks very festive, very end of year. I want to just hang it off to the side, a couple of them off to the side. I don't know yet. We're gonna play around and see. That could be something. It kind of also just looks like grapes, and I don't know how I feel about that. So, yeah, I don't know how I feel about that. I also have some ties that if I want to, I can just maybe put those ties on ornaments and tie them around. We're gonna see. Okay, so I've decided to try and plan it out. So what I have, and I don't have flash this facing this way, but what I have is clusters of pink and gold separated by green ornaments. So I have these green twist ties. I also have purple ones. We're going to try and wrap them or hang them onto the wreath, and that'll be it. Let's see. Okay. Damn. Let me try these on better. Whoops. Okay, so here is the quote finished look. I don't know that I'm super happy with it. It kind of very much giving Mardi Gras with the gold and the green and the pink and the purple. It's very much giving Mardi Gras. I don't know yet what I can do to make it look more Christmas, but we're gonna have to figure it out. Do I sacrifice the tinsel? Do I dare sacrifice the tinsel? I think we have to try. It might just look more Mardi Gras because it is also another gold silver. So we'll try though. There's nothing we can do but try. Wow. I think I have to sacrifice my tinsel. That was one of two to line my door because this is really what's coming together, and I don't want it to not come together. I don't want to just have it looking stupid hanging. I might even have to cut another piece of tinsel. It doesn't go all the way around. This is, oh my gosh, I'm gonna have to cut another piece of tinsel. This is Really disheartening. Wow. Or maybe can I stretch it? Please let me stretch it. No, I can't stretch it. Oh no. I'm going to cut another piece of tinsel. Damn! Just gonna twist the tinsel around each other. Very disheartening. This. How am I putting this in place? I don't know yet. It's covering a lot of it, not all of it, but I'm suppose happy enough with enough of what it's covering. Well, it's a piece I want to cover again. Darn it. Let me put this on. Ugh, time lapse. Okay, so at this point, both of my both of my tinsel have gone to the wreath. So I wrapped it all the way around, and instead of continuing going around, I'm gonna go back. Yeah, we're just gonna go back, and that way it won't be so obviously thick on one side. It might just look balanced, quote quote. Oh my gosh. Okay, we're just gonna tuck it in there somewhere. Invisible tuck. And voila! Using a majority of the ornaments I have left over. I think I have 7 pink. I don't see any gold, and I have 4 green. So now, and if anything, if I really want to, theoretically I could go in and, put one here on the front. Well, I'll put a couple here in the back, with the silver ones now. So, it kind of matches my golden one. This is gold and silver. I'm going to put it up and take some pictures. Yeah.